Hi, I'm Kaylind Olson of Grandma'sUniverse.com, and today I wanted to share a message with you with my little dog Bo. I was at PetSmart, which is usually where I go to get his dog food, and there was this huge bone called Big Bite there. And I thought about Bo, and I wondered what would happen if we put this big bone in Bo's mouth. Could he even handle it? Such a big bite. You want to try it? There you go. He's going to try it. Can he do it? You want a bite? He loves peanut butter too. It says this is peanut butter. What if I put this in more manageable chunks? You know, sometimes we may have a big, audacious goal in life, and we want to reach that goal, but you just can't get there from here. So, we may have to break it up into little chunks. Let's see what happens if I do this. I'm going to sit here and try to break this up and see if Bo can manage it, one bite at a time. Bo. Let's see if you can do this. I think you can. We'll get this smaller bite here. Let's see if you can handle that one. Now, look at that. Small, manageable chunks. Bites. One step at a time towards that goal. Do you have a goal for your life? You can get there. But you have to believe, and sometimes you have to work and get the momentum going and understand that as you keep practicing, you get better and better. Have a beautiful day. I think Bo's going to.